In this video, I'll show you how to give short answers to questions that require a yes or no answer. How do you answer this question? Are you a student? And the answer is either yes or no. If it's yes, then you could say, yes, I am. This is the verb be. It matches this verb here. This is also the verb be. These verbs match in an answer to a question in which the expected answer is yes or no. If the answer is no, then you'd say, no, I'm not. This is am. You could say, no, I am not. Most people will say, no, I'm not. In this question, do you have a class? Here's a helping verb, and then here's the main verb. The answer, if it's yes, is yes, I, and then here is the verb that matches the helping verb here. Yes, I do. Or if it's negative, no, I don't. This is a contraction for do not. Do you have a car? The answer, if it's affirmative, is yes, I, and then here is the helping verb from the question. Yes, I do. This helping verb goes here. Don't use the main verb. Don't say, yes, I have. It's a very common mistake to answer a question like this. Do you have something with yes, I have? The correct response would be yes, I do. This question is in the past tense. Did they have breakfast? And the answer, yes, and then the subject, they, and then the helping verb would be did. Yes, they did. Or if it's negative, no, they didn't. If the question is in the present perfect tense, beginning with the helping verb have they had breakfast? Have they had breakfast? Yes, they have. The helping verb here is in the answer here. Yes, they have. Or if it's negative, no, they haven't. No, they haven't. Both of these questions use the verb be as the main verb. This is in the present tense and this is in the past tense. Is she here today? The answer, yes, she is. This matches the question here. And if it's negative, no, she isn't. Was she here yesterday? This is in the past tense. So the answer, yes, she was. Or if it's negative, no, she wasn't. As with the other example, you could say, no, she was not. Or, no, she is not. But often with short answers, most people use the contraction. Are you working tomorrow? Now the question is in the present continuous tense. This is the helping verb, and then this is the main verb. When you answer, yes, I am. In the answer, you're using this helping verb. It changes to am. Or if it's negative, no, I'm not. If you change the subject to he, is he working tomorrow? Yes, he, and then here is the helping verb, which is right here. Yes, he is. Or if it's negative, no, he isn't. If we change this to the present tense and use the verb do, does he work tomorrow? Then the answer uses the helping verb. Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. Sometimes the answer is to a tag question which comes after a statement like this. She was here yesterday, wasn't she? And then the answer, yes, she was, or no, she wasn't. Of course, there are other possibilities for short answers. If the question is, should I continue? The answer could be, sure, or just say yes. But if you want to use yes or no, yes, and then the subject goes here, and then the helping verb goes here. In this case, if the subject is I, the subject here, and the answer becomes you. Yes, you should. Or if it's negative, no, you shouldn't. This question is in the present perfect continuous tense. Here's the helping verb, and then here's been. This is also kind of a helping verb, and the main verb is feel with this ing ending. But you really only have to pay attention to this helping verb here. Have you been feeling okay? And then the answer is yes, I have. Or negative, no, I haven't. Have you been feeling okay? Yes, I have. Or no, I haven't. Did this video help you? If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also visit my free website at EnglishForThePlanet.com.